Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earphone with our phone. Guys you want to pair guys your Bluetooth earphone guys you have the same earphone and guys you want to pair with your Realme phone. So friends how can you pair in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends first of all guys subscribe the channel click the bell icon like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting and guys on your earphones Bluetooth earphones I have one already. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see phone Bluetooth setting. Friends, tap here and guys you want to enable and guys you want to disable your phone Bluetooth setting. You can enable and disable from here. So we will on our phone Bluetooth setting. And friends, you can see guys your available device. So guys, I have on guys this my Bluetooth earphone. So guys, we will tap here to pair. Then guys you can see it's pairing and guys you can see this pair notification. Bluetooth pairing request pair with Ubon CL. Allows us to contacts and call longs. Yes, we want to pair, so you can pair from here and yes you can use. And friends you want to check guys your Bluetooth earphone battery percent, so you can check I have 80%. So guys now you can use guys your Bluetooth earphone with your Realme phone. Guys you can pick up call, you can use while watching movies, serial, listening song. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, we will meet on next video, bye.